I love to joke that everything I learned about leadership I first learned in my high school rock band. If you think about it, there's so many parallels between music and leadership. The first thing we as musicians learn how to do is how to truly listen to what's happening around us. A great cornerstone of music is this idea to improv and play with whatever shows up. Audira Labs is really about taking your leadership from where it is and cranking it up to 11. This is the antithesis of death by PowerPoint. Audira really believes in the power of not just talking about leadership, but actually doing it. But don't just take our word for it. Leading institutions such as University of Chicago Booth School of Business and London Business School have shown the power of experiential learning and really infusing the performance arts such as music as a powerful way to really elevate your leadership game. In our workshops, we create a safe microcosm where you can practice and apply and then integrate these concepts in a fun, engaging way and take them forward into your leadership journey.